Top drawer. If you describe someone or something as top drawer, you are saying that they have a high social standing or are of very good quality. Examples.
Ladder's Fernando, and down below that's Todd. Pest control operation is legit. I mean, they're licensed, they're bonded, they do as good a job as anyone in town, but they're also top drawer, second story men.
Second story.
They're burglars.
Is that the correct spelling of her name?
Why don't I just, do this for you, sir?
You know, there is one bright light down here. His name is Spencer. The guy with the snappy thing? He's top drawer.
Thank you, sir.
Mom, Dad, thanks for dinner.
I had a great time. It was really top drawer.
I can tell used to say that you have noticed or understood something means I realize that, yes, that's how it is. Examples.
You look sad.
You look like a weird goon who's obsessed with a kid's book.
It's a girl, isn't it? I can tell. It's the look that Mike had on his face when Bella turned him down for the dance.
Actually, Carlos, the more I watch her, the more I think she's probably not stepping out on you.
Really?
Yeah, she's not perfect. Lord knows. But she loves you. I can tell.
Is that true?
Yeah, it is.
Thank you, Michael. I know you're telling the truth.
Okay.
I can tell.
To ramp up. To make something increase in amount. To increase the effort involved in a process. To develop gradually in a certain direction. Examples.
This is between Dennis and Alyssa.
How can I ignore this? And I quote, "It's not like she can hear."
Lynette, you're starting to ramp up into that whole meddling thing that you do.
Excuse me?
Let me just handle it. Let's avoid a big thing.
Ladies, I give you the future. How many times you girls seen me fall off this ladder? Now, that's gonna happen less.
Looks like you're a gutter cleaner stuck on something.
Not a problem. This baby detects blockage and then ramps up the power.
I don't believe in having regrets, Jules, because this great big crazy thing we call life.
It sounds like you're ramping up for a long one. So first I have to ask, do you think that's an appropriate outfit for work?
Check all the boxes. To satisfy all of the apparent requirements for success. To fulfill everything that is necessary or desired. Examples.
You need help with that tire?
No, we don't. We're good, thanks.
What are you guys talking about? She's a woman and she wants to help with the tire. She checks all the boxes.
Right. Hello. We were trying to change our tire, but there's something wrong with the jack.
On our first dates, it was like you were interviewing me. Not so much for the soulmate position or lover, but rather father, the stable provider. You had a certain criteria, and I checked all the boxes.
Where are we?
You knew Hood. Okay, so I couldn't check all the boxes, but I think I nailed the most important one, that it can float.
Take a swing. To attempt to hit someone or something. To try to do something. To give something a try. Examples.
Let's just dive in, all right?
I'm ready.
Good. All right, take a swing.
Okay.
See what we're dealing with.
I get in front here.
Yes, you do.
And then 1, 2, 3. Ah! He went so far away. I am a natural.
No, he is. Your ball's still on the tee.
I took a swing at a new way to prepare turkey.
Well, this is frozen.
No, Dad, you hit a bone. I saw this on Top Chef. They cooked an entire turkey in 1 hour.
Uncle Marshall and Aunt Lily had recently decided to take a swing at starting a family. Tonight was their first at bat.
Okay, I'm almost ready to leave. Let's just go through the checklist. Candles?
Check.
Music to set the mood?
Check.
A quick quiz with phrases from the previous video. What does the phrase, "take your lumps," mean? And the correct answer is, to accept the bad things that happen and not let them affect you. What does the phrase "watch it" mean? And the correct answer is to warn someone to stop annoying or upsetting you. What does the phrasal verb "to file away" mean? And the correct answer is to remember something for future reference or activity. What does the phrase "live under a rock" mean? And the correct answer is to be unaware of things that most people know about. What does the phrase "don't sweat it" mean? And the correct answer is used to tell someone not to worry about something.
It's really top drawer.
I can tell.
You had a certain criteria, and I checked all the boxes.
It sounds like you're ramping up for a long one, so first I have to ask.
All right, take a swing.